In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change homepage of your Wix website to the front page. On the left hand side of Wix editor, click on Pages and Menu, and this will show a list of all your website pages. If any of your pages are hidden, like your homepage, click the eye icon next to Page to show it in the menu. Find page you want to set as your new homepage. Click on three dots next to Page Name, and from drop-down menu click on Settings, and in the Settings panel scroll down to find an option to set as homepage and click on it. Once new page is set as homepage, you may want to update other settings like page title, URL or SEO settings. Go to SEO section to update the URL and title tag for SEO purpose. If you no longer need to all the homepage visible, you can either rename it or hide it from menu by selecting page and choosing hide from menu.